Hello, this is Meghnad and you're watching Sansad Watch, where we tell you what the leaders you elected are doing for you. The winter session is upon us. The Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are assembling on Monday, November 29th, and the session will end on December 23rd. So it's time to resume our weekly coverage of what goes down in the Great Round Building before it turns into a Great Triangle Building. In today's episode, I'm going to tell you about 5 things that you need to keep a watchful eye on during this session. But before we get to that, here is a small recap of what happened in the last monsoon session, in case you have forgotten. In the monsoon session held early this year, we saw some intense protests, some unusual rage, some dramatic entrances, some poor cinematography, and a tad bit of melodrama.
I have no words to convey my anguish and to condemn such acts, as I spent a sleepless night.
During the last session, 15 new bills were introduced and bulldozed through. A total of 20 old and new bills were passed very quickly. On average, Lok Sabha passed a bill every 34 minutes and Rajya Sabha passed it every 46 minutes. The Lok Sabha functioned for just 21.3 hours and the Rajya Sabha functioned for just 29 hours. Only one bill, which is the Constitution 127th Amendment Bill, was discussed for more than an hour in both houses. So the hope is that the House functions a wee bit more than last time because there is so much to do. A total of 26 bills have been put on the agenda for this session. So let me tell you about the 5 main ones. Number 1. Farm laws are getting repealed. In case you missed the grand announcement by the Prime Minister, here it is.
आज मैं आपको पूरे देश को ये बताने आया हूं कि हमने 3 कृषि कानूनों को वापस लेने का, रिपील करने का निर्णय लिया है.
Adarniya Modi ji has said that the centre would repeal the 3 farm laws in this session. So the repeal bill has been listed in Bulletin 2 by the Lok Sabha Secretariat. Modi has also appealed for the farmers to return to their homes after camping out at protest sites for a year. But the farmers have refused and said that they would only return after the laws were officially repealed in the House. So it's very likely that this is the first thing that will be on the agenda. Also, the farmers are still adamant about bringing in a law formalizing a minimum support price, MSP. One report indicates that the government might just bring in a bill on MSP. But we'll have to keep a watch to see what that is, how useful it is, and how it affects our farmers. Number 2. The Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021. Last week, some amount of bawal happened when people saw this being shared on social media. It's the same document that I'm showing you today, Bulletin 2 of the Lok Sabha. It says that the cryptocurrency bill will be introduced and considered in this session. The description says that the bill also seeks to prohibit all private cryptocurrencies in India. However, it allows for certain exceptions to promote the underlying technology of cryptocurrency and its uses. The first part caused quite some panic and caused the Indian cryptocurrency market to crash by some 30%. Also because this whole banning business has happened before. For more on that, we have done an entire video 2 weeks ago. We have also spoken about this bill, link is in the description. Go watch. All in all, it's going to be interesting to watch what happens in Parliament and how up to date our MPs are on this complex cryptocurrency business. No FUD please. Number 3. The Banking Laws Amendment Bill. In her budget speech, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman had announced the privatization of 2 public sector banks as a part of the government's disinvestment drive to garner 1.75 lakh crore rupees. Remember that? National monetization pipeline thing? Yeah, we did an episode on that as well. Check it out. So this bill is about privatizing 2 banks as announced. Amendments will be made to the Banking Companies Acquisition and Transfer of Undertakings Act 1970 and 1980 and the Banking Regulation Act 1949. Kind of boring procedural stuff, but which 2 banks are going to be privatized is going to be a big thing. Market speculators have predicted that the 2 banks that would be privatized are Indian Overseas Bank and Central Bank. But these are just speculations right now. And you know what happens when there are speculations, right? Stocks go up, in this case by 10%. Oh, and you know what happens when privatization takes place, right? A bunch of people get unhappy because of a very real fear of losing their jobs, and they protest. Hashtag Black Bill has been trending on Twitter for a few days now. This is turning into a heated issue, and we are likely to see some acrimony and action in this session. Moving on to number 4, the Trafficking of Persons Prevention, Protection and Rehabilitation Bill 2021. Currently, India doesn't have one solid modern law to deal with trafficking yet. Crimes involving trafficking are dealt with using the Indian Penal Code, Immoral Traffic Prevention Act. Yeah, that's a thing. Then there is the Bonded Labor Regulation Act, the Child Labor Regulation Act. So to put all the crimes and some more under one umbrella, the government is bringing in this new bill, a dedicated legislation. You see, we have laws that exist for dealing with forced labor and sexual exploitation, but this legislation will specifically deal with human trafficking. Plus, it will also have provisions for prevention measures and rehabilitation of victims. A previous draft of this bill was passed by the Lok Sabha in 2018, but met with public disapproval in the Rajya Sabha. It fell through, but now it's back with a bigger scope. The bill proposes that offences involving trafficking will lead to life imprisonment and even death penalty. The new 2021 bill also expands the scope to also include offences taking place outside India. And finally, we come to number 5, the Mediation Bill 2021. Mediation is a process where an impartial third party is appointed to facilitate a negotiation between disputing parties and help them reach a mutually agreeable settlement. The third party is usually someone trusted, someone who can lead a conflict towards amicable resolution without spending tons of money and time on court. It's like when a family gets into a property dispute and some दूर का uncle shows up to say, ये घर का मामला है, घर में ही निपटा लो. वैसे भी कोर्ट कचहरी के मामले में क्यों फंसना है भाई साहब, इसे यहीं पे निपटा लो. It's something like that. So this proposed bill is going to foster alternative dispute resolution ADR mechanisms. In other words, an alternative for litigation in courts. Given the number of pending cases and workload on our courts, the Supreme Court encourages this as well. These mediation mechanisms have existed, but there hasn't been a proper law to give it structure and legal backing. So these are the 5 bills that have been listed for introduction, consideration and passing during this winter session that we think are worth keeping a watch on. Mind you, this is not an exhaustive list. There are 26 bills in the list and we will cover them in detail as they come to Parliament. Don't worry, we are watching the Sansad. I'll leave you a reference link to the bulletin too so that you can see all of them. Nerd out. There is also a slight chance that the government might bring in the Personal Data Protection Bill. In addition to that, we are likely to see discussions on Lakhimpur violence, price rise, Pegasus and COVID vaccination. Oh, and there will be questions. Many questions which will be asked and answered. Hopefully. That's all we have for you in this week's Sansad Watch. Remember, if you want to make Parliament great again, you need to watch it first. Hello new viewers who are here because you searched for what is happening in winter session of Parliament and you came here. You are at the right place. Also hello to old viewers who have been following this series for a while now. We are starting the normal Parliament coverage because the session is happening. So from next week we will be doing like coverage of what happened last week, which is this week. Confusing, I guess. But I just wanted to tell you to subscribe to News Laundry. This show takes a lot of research. We have to break our heads a lot. Me and my colleagues, my research team, we spend night and day trying to bring you information on bills that are relevant to you. So if you want to support this show, if you want to support the work News Laundry does, please subscribe to News Laundry by going here, www.newslaundry.com/subscription, and please pay to keep news free. Thank you.
The subscription model is something that keeps News Laundry afloat, but we need hundreds of thousands of people to completely transform the news ecosystem. So you pay for news, so it serves you. So click on the link with this video, subscribe to News Laundry and pay to keep news free, और गर्व से कहो, मेरे खर्च पर आज़ाद है खबरें.